Welcome back. In this video, we will walk you through how to integrate Crystal reports into your ASP.NET Web Forms or MVC application using Visual Studio. To get started, you will need Visual Studio, the Crystal Reports runtime, and designer for Visual Studio, and a sample report file. You can use either a Web Forms or MVC project. Download and install Crystal Reports for Visual Studio from SAT's official site. Then, add the necessary Crystal Decisions assemblies to your project references. Next, add your .rpt file to the project. Right-click and include it. This will allow you to bind it to a Crystal Report viewer control on your page. Use the Crystal Report viewer control in your .aspx page. Then load the report in code behind and assign it to the viewer's report source. For MVC, load your report in the controller, export it to a stream, and return a file result. You can embed it in a view or allow users to download it directly. Let us say we have a customer invoice viewer. The user selects a customer and we pass the customer ID to the report. The viewer shows the invoice ready to print or export. To let users download the report as PDF, use the export to HTTP response method. It sends the report as a file to the browser. Always dispose of the report document after use. Store your reports properly and use parameters to make reports dynamic. Also, test deployment with the Crystal runtime installed on the server. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more hands-on tutorials. In the next video, we will learn how to secure reports with parameter inputs.